In today's video, we will be comparing two powerful processors, the Intel Core i7-12700K and the AMD Ryzen 75700X. Both of these CPUs are designed for high-performance computing, but they cater to different needs and budgets. The Intel Core i7-12700K boasts a hybrid architecture with 12 cores and a maximum boost clock of 5.0 GHz, while the AMD Ryzen 75700X offers 8 cores and 16 threads with a boost clock of up to 4.6 GHz. Let's dive into the details and see which processor comes out on top. When it comes to performance, the Intel Core i7-12700K shines with its 12 cores and a maximum boost clock speed of 5.0 GHz, making it an excellent choice for gaming and multitasking. Its hybrid architecture allows it to handle demanding applications with ease. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 75700X, with its 8 cores and 16 threads, also delivers impressive performance, especially in multi-threaded tasks. However, it may fall short in raw power compared to the i7-12700K, particularly in gaming scenarios where higher clock speeds are beneficial. Overall, if you prioritize top-tier performance, the i7-12700K is the way to go. Let's talk about price. The Intel Core i7-12700K is priced at $496, which is significantly higher than the AMD Ryzen 75700X, which retails for $319. This price difference is an important factor to consider, especially for budget-conscious consumers. While the i7-12700K offers superior performance, the Ryzen 75700X provides excellent value for its price, making it a compelling option for gamers and content creators who want good performance without breaking the bank. Another key difference is in graphics capabilities. The Intel Core i7-12700K comes with integrated Intel UHD 770 graphics, which is a significant advantage for users who do not want to invest in a separate graphics card. This feature allows for basic gaming and multimedia tasks without the need for additional hardware. In contrast, the AMD Ryzen 75700X does not include integrated graphics, meaning users will need to purchase a discrete GPU to handle any graphical tasks. This is an important consideration for those looking to build a system without a dedicated graphics card. In conclusion, both the Intel Core i7-12700K and AMD Ryzen 75700X are excellent processors, each with its strengths. The i7-12700K offers superior performance and integrated graphics, making it ideal for high-end gaming and multitasking. However, it comes at a higher price point. The Ryzen 75700X, while slightly less powerful, provides a great price-to-performance ratio and is perfect for budget builds. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.